Today I'm going to relocate my GMRS radio from this location here under the dash to the location over here under the control buttons down here on this panel. And I've kind of already started and decided I wanted to make a video about it because didn't really find anything. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's pretty simple. Doesn't take any special tools or nothing. So we'll go to the other side. I got more room. Okay, so I'm over here on the passenger side now, and they say to pull up the center console right here, and it's pretty easy. Just grab it right here at the rings near the top of the cup holders and just lift, and try to do this one-handed, and it just pulls up. And the other thing I've already done was I put the transfer case in 4-wheel high, because you need to pull it up. It just lifts up and just slide it back, and that gives you room to get the center panel out. So to get the center panel out, you just stick it right in the seam and just give it a little pry. There's 4 tabs in there, and you just pop them off. Not gonna break nothing. It's a little hard to do one-handed. So now you see that this is loose. There's your 4 orange tabs. So pull this up again. I'll hold this up and hold the camera. Then this, just drop it down like this, and just pull it, slides right out, and that's it. And you notice my net is already going. I took it over here to the bench, and I just took a razor blade and I just went around the edge and I just cut it off. Comes off easy, nice and clean, and that's it. Now I have the mount over here. And this is going to go right here. And I've already pre-measured it, and it needs to be right near the edge, because with the radio and the antenna connector sticking down, it'll rub on this center console that we lifted up. So I have these 4 little rubber spacers that came out of a faucet repair plumbing kit. So is what I'm going to do is put these here like so, and then this will go on top, and that'll give me just enough space right in here to clear that upper panel that sits right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those holes drilled and start mounting this, and be right back. Okay, so I got the brackets mounted right there. I put those little washers underneath, and it wasn't so hard. You can see them right down in there. It gives it a little bit of space. It'll help with the clearance for removing and installing the radio. But we'll drop this panel back in there now. So you just lift up on the console, pull it back, and then take the other one and just slide it in down in there. Make sure you get the bottom clips inside the slots, and they are. And then you just pop it back in, drop that back in place, and there's the bracket right there. Grab my radio and test fit it. So I got the radio And we'll slide it down in there. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but and it's in, just like that. Sit right there. And we're good. And then it's got plenty of clearance. I can pop it back out. Slides right out. Just like that. So works good. Goes right in. And then I can remove it when I don't need it. And looks nice and clean. So I hope y'all like this video, and thank you very much for watching.